Is your trading on Gemini feeling sluggish? Are you missing out on those crucial market moves because your execution isn't fast enough? Look, when I first started trading on Gemini, I felt the same pain. The standard interface is fine for long-term holding, but if you're trying to scalp or just react quickly to volatility, it's not set up for speed. I needed a way to cut the lag and execute trades in seconds, not minutes. So, I dug in and found the real game changers on the platform. Here are the best Gemini tips for faster trading, based on my own experience. 1. Enable Active Trader immediately. This is the single biggest step you can take for speed. The standard Gemini interface is simplified. Active Trader is their professional-grade platform. It's a completely different interface. My experience, the first time I switched it on, it was a night and day difference. It provides real-time market data, a dynamic order book, and advanced charting. I can see the spread and market depth instantly, which is vital for quick decisions. You enable it in your account settings. It takes literally 10 seconds. If you're serious about fast trading, you must use Active Trader. 2. Master the right order types. For faster entry and exit, you need to use orders that prioritize speed over price precision. Market orders, the fastest order type. It executes immediately at the best available price. I use this when the market is moving fast and I need to be in or out now, even if it means sacrificing a tiny bit on the price. Immediate or cancel, IOC, orders, this is an Active Trader exclusive and a huge speed advantage. It executes all or part of the order immediately. Any portion that can't be filled is canceled, not left hanging on the order book. This guarantees a rapid execution without leaving residual, slow-moving orders. 3. Use keyboard shortcuts. This is pure execution speed, cutting out the time it takes to move your mouse and click. Active Trader has shortcuts for placing and canceling orders. My experience, I spent 10 minutes memorizing the key bindings for buy, sell, and cancel all, and it was a massive time saver. When a flash crash hits, the difference between hitting S for sell and having to navigate a drop-down menu is often the difference between profit preservation and a significant loss. 4. Optimize your data feed and connection. Trading speed isn't just about the platform, it's about your connection to it. High-speed internet. This sounds obvious, but a few milliseconds of latency can matter. I make sure I'm on a wired connection whenever possible, not Wi-Fi. Minimize background apps. Close anything running in the background that consumes bandwidth or CPU, streaming services, big downloads, other trading platforms. I keep my trading setup dedicated and clean to ensure Gemini gets maximum resource priority. 5. Practice before you trade for real. You can have all the best tools, but if you don't know where everything is under pressure, you'll fumble and lose time. My experience, I spent hours on Active Trader placing small, practice trades, not to make money, but to build muscle memory. I wanted to execute market orders and IOC orders without even looking for the button. Speed under pressure comes from automatic responses, not conscious thought. This practice is essential to making these tips truly fast. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.